All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. So fierce, 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 fierce. So let's have a look. So fierce, maybe. Let's try like that, maybe, and an animal, maybe like a lion or something. Fierce. Yeah. No, lion. Let's try that. Fierce. There we are. Very good. Yes, so something strong, and you need to be careful with. So something strong and careful. Fierce, yes, well, it is a fierce bear. It is a fierce bear, yeah. They look fierce in red. She thinks he is very fierce and not nice. He was always a fierce fighter. Always a fierce fighter, yeah. They, she, he, it. I am a fierce biker. Yeah. Biker, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Very good. Watch out for the fierce lion. Yeah. He is a fierce warrior. They were fierce competitors, yeah, in the race. Yeah, and a race, definitely. Okay, yeah, let's try flag then. They were fierce competitors in the race. Let's see it. Okay. Yeah, okay, so that was a fierce race. Yes. Yeah. That fierce race lasted a long time, yeah. It is turning into a fierce competition. How could they let it be so fierce and deadly? Yeah, that was a fierce move he made. Very, very fierce, very daring. Very daring and aggressive. Oh, yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? How fierce are the other combatants? How fierce is the competition? Yeah, so how fierce is the competition? Yeah, they might be quite fierce because they know what they want to achieve and will do anything to get it. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, fierce competition. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah, my lessons are not always fierce. They are very approachable. How cool is that, language explorers? So fierce. So, can you use fierce in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian. Yeah, on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.